All right, part 10. I'm kind of losing some of the distinctiveness by more watercoloring here. That's okay. Give it a bit of a impressionist look, I suppose. Just doing gray between the color. And some of that color was a bit green by mistake. It's hard to make out these colors here. But that was the blue. What I thought was blue here turned to be green. I won't worry about it. Washington world national news is enough to give a lot of people more worry than they need. Wars just go on, conflicts and slaughter of children and so on. Thank you, budgies. I love your feedback. Really appreciate it. Okay. Blend that in a bit better. Oh, that'll have to do. That will do. All right, there we have it for now.